Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change hotspot band on Android. So once you're on your Android phone, you want to find settings and click on that. Inside the settings, you want to click on connection and you want to go ahead and scroll down to where you'll find hotspot and tethering. So mobile hotspot and tethering, click on that. Now from here, you want to tap on hotspot, the mobile hotspot at the top. And here you will be able to see what your current band is. Mine is set to 6 gigahertz. Perfect, right? You can click on it. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue. Yours might be showing something, maybe it's showing 2 gigahertz or whatever it might be, right? So you can go ahead and you can move the compatibility, you can change it to whatever you want, right? Once you do that, click and save, and that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple how to change hotspot band on Android.